And we're back. So, once again, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on what time you are watching this video right now. So, in this video, we will be learning HTML text tags. So, if you remember last time, if you watched our video, the last video that we have posted, the introduction to HTML, we have learned what is HTML, what is HTML used for, how HTML works, how can we create web pages or websites using HTML, and also the most important structure or the structure of HTML, which are the four tag pairs: the HTML, the head tag pair, HTML tag pair, head tag pair, title tag pair, and the body tag pair. So uh, let's check let's open again the web page that we have created last time. So if you still remember, this is the web page that we have created, right? Nothing yet, and just the title, since our video last time focuses on the introduction of HTML. So now let's check the codes of our web page. So to check your codes of your web page, or if you want to edit it again or work on it again, all you have to do is just right click on the file and you'll see it here, edit with notepad. But if you're using Windows 8, uh, nothing will show up here, right? You will only see there open with and XYZ. So what we can do is click open with, and then if Notepad or Notepad++ is not there, all you have to do is just click choose another app and then look for the Notepad or Notepad++. And when you select the application that you want, if you read it here, select an app to open this .html file. So if we click Notepad and then we click always, all of the HTML file will be opened through our text editor. So please don't ever do that, okay? We still want to open our HTML files as Chrome or as a web page. So all we have to do is, since we're just gonna work on our web page now, so just click the software that we're going to use, which is the text editor, either Notepad or Notepad++, whatever you want. Just don't use Word, okay? It's not a text editor; it's already a software. So we just use text editors, either Notepad or Notepad++, and then we click just once. Now we have here the codes of our web page last time, which is this, right? So if we check the codes, we have here the HTML tag pair, the head tag pair, the title tag pair, and then the body tag pair. And our title, whatever you want. So now in this video, we will be learning how to put text on our web pages. So basically, if you put text here, whatever text, you will be able to see it here already. But as you can see, it's still not showing there. Why? Because we have to save our work first. We have to save our codes first. All you have to do is just click File and then Save. Now, as you can see, there's no more asterisk here, and the icon here is turned blue and not red anymore. It means that our file has been saved already. Let's go back here. As you can see, it's still not working, right? All you have to do is just click refresh. All you have to do is just refresh the page. Now, the codes that we put here is now on the web page that we have created, whatever text. But if you're going to put just this one, we cannot format it. We cannot change the font style, the font text, the font size, the color of the text that we want. That's why we have to use text tags. And the text tags that we have in HTML are H1 tag pair. We have the H2 tag pair. We have the H3 tag pair until H6 actually. H6 tag pair. But let me show you the differences between H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5. So let's just copy it. Oh, by the way, what I did earlier is just I copy pasted the codes or the tags. So I just highlighted it, copy, Control C on your keyboard, enter, and then Control V, paste. So let's check H4, H5, and then the last one will be P. P stands for paragraph. So we save it. As you can see, still nothing. Why? Because we didn't put anything yet in between our text tag pairs. So let's first put text here. This is the text using H1 tag pair. Let's copy it. Control C. Going between the H2 tag pair, the closing, and then the opening, and then the closing. Again, remember, you will know that it's a closing tag pair because you put the backslash here. So I will explain to you why. Why do we have or why do we need opening and closing tag pair? So we have here opening. The system will read it. Okay, the next data that it will read is in H1. It means the heading one, and then it will end here. So after these tag pairs, it will not. The system will not read it anymore as H1. So let's continue with H2, H3. Oh, sorry, this should be H2. I missed it. Sorry. This is H. What? I, it's because I copied everything. I forgot. Oh, thank you. There. This is H3 tag pair. This is H4. I'm sorry about that one. This is H5 tag pair. This is H6 tag pair. And then this is the P tag pair. So now let's check what are the differences between these tag pairs. So again, let's click File, Save, go back to our web page, and then refresh. Now, as you can see, it varies with the sizes. So the biggest will be H1, and then H2, and then H3, H4, H5, H6, and then the P. So P stands for paragraph. It's just a normal text. It means the system will read its a default color, default size, and default font family or font style. Sorry. So H1 is your heading one, or if you want to put a title or the most important heading or the most important topic of your web page, you can use H1. So all in tags uh, tags will be in bold, even the H6, even though it's the smallest one. But usually we don't use that H6 anymore. Actually, on my end, I only use H one, H2, and then the P. Because on our next videos, we will be learning how to format or change the text style, change the text color, the text size of our text on our HTML web pages. So for now, that's how you uh, add text on your web pages. So that's the end of our video. Thank you so much and have a great day. If you have any questions, don't be shy to leave a comment on our comment sections. Click like and subscribe. Bye.